Welcome to another DIY. This is my daughter's car. It's a 2008 E90 BMW 328i. In this video, I will be replacing the front passenger side door handle. As you can see, it's melting like a butter on the sun. This is another bad material design by the BMW engineers. This is one of the common problem on these cars. I bought this kit from eBay. I'll put a link in the description below. This part is made in China, but I'm not gonna lie, the material is really good. It feels and looks like an OEM. I'm really impressed the quality of the material. This kit comes with 4 screws. First, you have to remove the door panel trim. Start from the inner side. Use a plastic pry tool to avoid marring the door panel. Look at that. That's disgusting. Use a small flathead screwdriver and gently pry off the window switch. Just pull the connector wire from the switch. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the door handle cover. Use a T15 Torx socket and remove 4 screws. I use a magnet to grab those screws. I grab the door pocket and pull to remove the door panel. Pull the 2 speaker wires. Use a pry tool and gently unlatch the cable from the lever. And lastly, pull the wire from the door light. This is the part of the cable that you have to unhook to release it. Be careful because it's made of plastic and you don't want to break that. You have to remove those molded plastic using a drill. to remove the door handle. I use a 1/8 inch drill bit. I think Dremel will work better.
I might rent the Lambo and go drive it like it's stolen. I've been living wild, I'm just going through the motions. Stumbling out the Uber, grab my hand, gave me the notion. Swimming in your water, but it feels just like the ocean. I feel like I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I was sipping more for 2 years straight to the face. Champagne belly bubbles still won't go away. Last year my best man hit a stain with bad face. Now he's got a hell behind the wall, that's cold case. I wake up with pain sometime and never go away. Wonder why I bow down to my knees when I pray. In my city gritty, gotta keep it on your waist. Or you might be a victim, they'll find you DOA. I can't lie, I've really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. Ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I'll do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything's on me, no matter what. Add it up. Bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what. Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, no matter what. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what. Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up. Matter what. Told ya I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up.
Always clean your mess. install the new door handle. Don't install the cover yet. Putting back the door panel is in reverse order. Reinstall the wire connector for the door light. Feed the wiring connector for the window switch through the hole. Reinstall the two speaker wires. Push the door lever before you install the cable. The cable should snap into place. Make sure to align those plastic pins into the holes before you start pushing the door panel into place. Now you can reinstall the window switch. Reinstall the 4 screws. Align and snap into place. You have to hook this end first. I'm very satisfied with this product. I really like it. If you like this DIY, please like, comment and subscribe. More DIYs to come. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.